Are you looking for the best laser cutter engraving machines in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laser cutter engraving machines that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Genmitsu Jinsoku LC60A. Genmitsu is a popular brand known for its budget-friendly CNC router offerings. The LC60A is a 5.5W laser engraver cutter that can work on a variety of materials like wood, MDF, cardboard, fabric, acrylic, anodized aluminum, and painted metals. You can use workpieces with a maximum size of 23.6 by 23.6, and it has a footprint of around 34 inches by 36 inches. It has an aluminum frame and weighs less than 14 pounds. It uses profile rails and rollers for linear motion that allows you to move the axis at a maximum speed of around 390 inches per minute. Genmitsu provides a 50mm leg extension kit that you can use to accommodate a rotary roller to engrave on cylindrical workpieces. The laser unit uses a laser diode which is better than a CO2 laser tube for low-power applications, as laser diode units are less sensitive and fragile than CO2 laser tubes. It has a fixed focal length of 20 mm and comes with an adjustment tool to let you focus the laser easily. An air assist system is also provided with the kit that uses a compressor, included in the kit, to blow air on the work surface to remove dust and fumes to provide a neat cut. It comes with a 32-bit board that is compatible with laser GRBL and Lightburn control and CAM software, and supports file types like NC, JPG, BMP, PNG, and DXF. They offer email support to their customers, and their official website has troubleshooting tips for common issues faced by users. Overall, it is an affordable machine that lets you engrave on large workpieces with good precision and has low maintenance. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Comgrow COMGO Z110W Laser Engraver Cutter. Comgrow COMGO Z1 is a compact laser engraver cutter that is feature-packed and lets you take on laser engraving jobs on a budget. There are 2 variants for the COMGO Z1, a 5W model and a 10W laser model. If you want to cut through wood with a maximum thickness of 5 mm, the 5W version is sufficient for you. The 10W version will allow you to cut through wooden plaques with up to 10 mm thickness. You can engrave on wood, leather, cardboard, acrylic, coated glass, stainless steel, and other metals that are coated with main or mask. It has a work area of 15.7 by 15.7, with a machine size of 22.64 by 22.64 by 8.07, and is light enough to be picked up and moved without help. The frame is made of aluminum and is rigid with a strong build quality. For linear motion, COMGO Z1 uses a stepper motor on the X and Y axes paired with a belt drive mechanism. The Y-axis uses 2 stepper motors on each side of the gantry to ensure accurate movement of the wide gantry. The Z-axis needs to be adjusted manually based on the height of the workpiece. The adjustment is easy as it has a fixed focal length of 20 mm and comes with a red box to let you set the Z-axis height quickly. You can do it by placing the red box on the workpiece and moving the Z-axis all the way down till it touches the box. Additionally, it comes with a roller accessory that allows you to engrave on cylindrical workpieces like a soda can. The laser head uses an LD FAC unit that produces a spot that is 0.08 mm by 0.08 mm wide, which lets you engrave really fine lines. Additionally, it has an engraving resolution of 1000 dpi. One advantage of using an LD laser unit is that it is not as sensitive as CO2 laser modules, and hence the maintenance and upkeep of the machine are easier. It uses a 32-bit control board, and you can control it using laser GRBL or Lightburn laser control software. It works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux computers and is simple to operate. You can import PNG, JPG, JPEG, BMP, and G-code files and engrave them onto workpieces using the software. It has a G-sensor onboard that detects any abnormal movement of the machine and powers off the laser to stop any mishaps. There are a good number of instructional videos on the internet to help you get started with engraving using COMGO-Z1. Comgrow is a Chinese brand and the support is based in China, and you can contact them over email for any technical assistance. The number 3rd position we have the BIBO 3D printer and laser engraver. BIBO 3D printer and laser engraver is a 3D printer that doubles as a laser engraving tool. So if your business could benefit from a 3D printer along with a laser engraver, this product is a hidden gem. Here, we will focus on the engraving aspect of this device. The BIBO can cut through wood, double-color planks, leather, crystal, organic plastic, and fabrics. It has a printing, engraving area of 214 by 186 mm, 8.4 by 7.3 inches, and an engraving precision of 0.01 mm, 0.0004 inches. The printing layer resolution is 0.05 to 0.3 mm, which is considered quite competitive. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux OS and with STL, OBJ, DAE, AMF, BMP, JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GCODE file formats. This is one of the cheaper laser cutters and engravers, but it is equipped with a superior laser head and has effective heat dissipation with 2 cooling fans. Next at number 4 we have the Snapmaker 3D printer, laser engraver. With the Snapmaker 3D printer, you can cut, engrave, carve and print out your designs, all in one machine. It's not just about its ability to perform these activities, but also its impressively high resolution that trumps other dual-purpose laser cutters. If you've been searching for the ultimate arts and crafts kit, this might be your last stop. This 3D printer and desktop laser cutter tool includes the 3-in-1 software, Snapmaker Lubin, that allows you to explore your creativity and gives you access to useful APIs, tutorials, and plugins. It also has an auto-focus feature that automatically finds the optimal laser height before it starts engraving. This means you don't have to spend so much time adjusting the focal point for a clear image. This laser engraver works well on wood, fabric, leather, plastic, and non-transparent acrylic. It is a solid and well-built kit that will be a great asset to any graphic design or arts and crafts business. If you want only laser engraving features, then this will not be a good buy for you. However, if you're looking for versatility, or you're exploring a new crafting style like CNC carving alongside engraving, then this is the one. And finally at number 5th position we have the Tenhai CO2 Engraving Machine 60W. Tenhai 60W is a very versatile laser cutter and engraving machine that can work with density board, acrylic, leather, glass, bamboo, cloth, and paper. Unlike some other machines that may function better as an engraving tool, this machine is perfect for both laser cutting and engraving. The engraving bed can accommodate materials of 400 mm by 300 mm in size. You can use it for garment sampling, gift and toy engraving, making computerized embroidery, and seal engraving. For maintenance and safety, there's an integrated ventilation fan. It also displays the cooling temperature as it runs, which means you can monitor your machine and turn it off when the temperature appears to be off the charts. With the Tenhai CO2 60W engraving tool, you have an engraver plugin called Corel Laser and a design software called Laser Draw. It also works well with Corel Draw, although this is not included in the package. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.